Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've done over 3,000 instant noodle reviews. This will be instant noodle review number 3071. And in a few days, review number 3000 actually is going to post on the website, so you can kind of see how ahead I am. Anyways, I got a beefy one from Bangladesh. I got it up in Richmond, Canada, up in BC. It's called Canton Instant Noodles Beef Flavor, and it is indeed from Bangladesh. So we are going to cook up this sucker. The amount of water it calls for is between, it gives you kind of a, what do you call it? You get a little tilde, and your tilde means, you know, little whoop, and you can do between 250 and 300 milliliters of water. So that's what we are doing. We are doing actually 250, which is not a lot of water. So basically this is just going to come up straight noodle, and it goes for 3 minutes. And there we go. And I think, I don't remember, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to add the seasoning sachet right now. Pretty sure it was the noodles in the sachet all in one fell swoop. So, swoop we doop. And there we go. Oh, don't worry, dude, who likes to see the water boil. You're going to see it. You're going to see it. It's going to be okay. And, okay, look. Can't do it for long, though. I don't want the thing to overheat. There you go. That's real live action, folks, of noodles cooking in a pot. So, yeah. God, the excitement. Oh. Anyway, so what's going on today? Whoa. Man. Yeah, whatever. Oh, yeah, that looks a little better. So, what is going on today, folks? Well, just took Miles to the bus. Happy about that. He's had a little incident today. Actually, it's been going on for a few days. He loves playing with Legos, but he's getting way too worked up about his Legos. Like, if his little sister comes, and she loves to just like knock over. He'll build a tower. She'll come over and just like and run away. It's like, oh. And when he was younger, he would just like grab her by the hair and drag her away. But now that he's 3, he knows he can't do that. And you just see it in his eyes that he just wants to so bad, but he doesn't do it. But it's like she's literally torturing him. And I think it's pretty funny when you look at her. It's like, yeah, you know what you're doing. You know exactly what you're doing. How rude. Your big brother does not need that kind of stress. So, in fact, neither do I. Oh my God. It's horrible. He just starts screaming and carrying on. It's like, so the Legos have gone away for a little while. And that really made him unhappy, but they'll be back. We'll see how it goes. I think something different is what the doctor has ordered. This doctor, at least, the noodle doctor. You know. So these are beef noodles from Bangladesh. the last batch noodles I had from this company, their curry, was it the curry or the curry chicken? I can't remember. But it just wasn't ultra super enthused by, unfortunately. Alas. Yeah, I hate to say it, but that doesn't really taste like beef. In fact, I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes like something. What am I putting in this? Got an egg. I've got some lunch meat. Let's start out with some mung bean sprouts. Well, we'll garnish it at the end with that. Let's look at this lunch meat. Ooh, that looks good. This is slow roasted cured roast beef. Oh my! Bringing out the big guns today. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this stuff really thin. And it's going to look so out of place, I don't think it's even going to be funny. But I'm going to like stir it in hardcore and see what happens. Probably, I mean, there's a lot of experimentation that goes on. When I run into something like this, I'm like, it's not getting like, this is not a 5-star. I'm not like losing sleep over how this one looks. So I figure if I'm gonna give something a try, I will give it a try with something like that, and then that could be the test bed for future. I think it's beef. It says it's beef. Oh, that kind of lunch meat always seems like it's gummy. Alright. So, I'm going to go with that. Got this fancy interesting. All it says on this plate is A7485. I don't know. Does that mean this is worth like $10 million? Oh, and then it's got a print. Something on here that's etched in that I can't read. I'm guessing this is a mass-produced deep plate. But that's okay. I don't get these with the idea that they're going to be worth anything. I get these with the idea, hey, I can put junk in them. Like noodles. Because this will work for this, and this actually really will work well for, I mean, doesn't it seem like something that would go fine for, like, Eastern European varieties? That was my thought going into getting this one. I think it was $1 at, what do you call it? Value Village. Man, I used to go to a lot of thrift stores, bring home a lot of crap. I really am not into that anymore. People will still ask me, hey, I got this, do you want it? It's like, what would I do with that? And then I have to think back, oh, I would have wanted it. God only knows why, but I would have wanted it back then. So I have to say, no, thank you, though. But I'm not into such things anymore. I'm trying to minimize. Unless it's a tool, it's Unless it's a tool, I'm good, or I'm cool, or whatever. Blah, 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 blah. Rhyme, rhyme. And some spring onions. Yeah. And we're done. How's that? Let's see what you see. The egg came out okay. This is, well, it's been in there overnight since I made it, but it's kind of got an interesting eggy look to it. So yeah, I'm calling that a done deal. Well, oh, it's way up there on the high shelf. I don't care. I feel like Marmaduke. But, oh, my crispy onions were not sealed perfectly, but, there, crispy onions. Making the world a better place with little crispy onions, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Well, that's that. That's your lunch for today, not mine. Some Bangladesh made instant noodles that I found. Actually, my lovely wife, the most beautiful woman in my whole universe, Kitten, found these up in Canada. So that's pretty cool. Thank you, baby. Anyways, if you like this, please click like. Subscribe. If you subscribe, that makes me a very, very happy man. And yeah, and oh yeah, so go watch this stuff. There's plenty of stuff. I mean, if you watch this video, and then there'll be another video, and at the end of that will be more stuff to watch, and so on and so forth. You could be watching, I think I've got like over 200 videos. I think you're looking at like, God, hundreds of hours of enjoyment. Maybe. So yeah. Alright, this has been Hans, the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.